Welcome to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today I will be showing you how to prep your Peeps marshmallow for your gift baskets or table decorations. You will be needing bamboo sticks, clear bags, and curly ribbons. I will remove the flame off the bag and I'll go ahead and seal it off. Then I'll turn it around and use my scissors to cut a new opening for the bag. The next few steps are pretty simple and straightforward. You insert the bamboo stick into the marshmallow Peeps and insert the Peeps into the bag. The string that I will be using is this party ribbon, the curly ribbon that you use for balloons. Now, just take the flat side of your scissors, place the ribbon over the scissors, place your thumb over the ribbon and just pull. There you go. Here's the finished product of our Peeps, ready for our gift basket or our table decoration. Here's some examples of how you can use it. These are some lovely table or countertop decorations. I hope you gave these lovely ideas a try and let me know in the comments below how yours came out. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video.